Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about Healthy Skin Starter Kit from the brand FARMACY. I discovered the brand FARMACY thanks to the Cult Beauty goodie bags. I don't remember exactly which goodie bag was, my memory doesn't help me with that. Anyway, in one of them I found the Honey Halo Face Cream. I tried it and I like it very much. After that I started to inform myself about the brand, about the products they have. I liked what I discovered and I decided to try more products from them. Why I choose this kit? The main reason is that I personally prefer to buy a starter kit because I have a chance to try the products first, to make an opinion, and just after to decide to buy or not the full-size product. The FARMACY Healthy Skin Starter Kit contains FARMACY Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, a nourishing facial cleansing balm that melts away makeup, SPF, and pollution residue. Even the boldest eye makeup and long wear foundation are easily removed, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. Second, we have Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner, an alcohol-free toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. Third, we have Honeymoon Glow 14% AHA BHA Resurfacing Night Serum, a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dual skin for healthy natural glow. And the last product from the kit is the FARMACY Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer, an intensive moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin with lasting hydration to help visibly plump skin and improve the look of fine lines. Okay guys, this was the kit. Now I want to tell you my personal opinion about these products. I use them for more than 2 weeks every day. Only the face serum I use it less, well, because this is how the product should be used. We will talk about it later when we will get to it. Let's take them in order, and let's start with the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Well guys, I love this product, it is amazing, it melts away easily the makeup, very easy to use. Grab a bit of a product, rub it between your hands to melt, and after apply to dry skin, it does its job instantly. It emulsifies quickly. Pleased with this cleansing balm. Now I am looking to buy the full size, and to be honest, I wasn't a huge fan of makeup remover cleansing balms. I preferred the cleansing oils instead. Next we have a Deep Sweep toner. About the toner, I cannot say that I saw or I felt something special. With it or without it, my skin looked the same. Maybe I am wrong, but I don't feel that my skin needs a toner. Well, I don't use a face toner for more than 2 years. As I said guys, I may be wrong, but for me toners are not an essential product. I can live without them. I'm not saying that this is a bad product, I'm saying that is a product that I don't use. Next we have a Honeymoon Glow 14% AHA BHA Resurfacing Night Serum. This face serum needs to be used only 2-3 times per week at the beginning and easily to build to daily usage. It's gentle with the skin. The next day my skin looks radiant, glowy and firm. I really like this face serum. The last we have a FARMACY Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. This face cream I know well. I used it in the past and I love it. I'm using it now and my opinion did not change. It's a great face moisturizer, is rich, is nourishing. The formula is beautiful, is absorbing easy into the skin. It has a gentle honey scent, nothing too strong. Is more a natural honey scent that I like. Only good things about this face cream. As a general opinion about this starter kit, guys, I like it a lot. With the toner I am in doubts, but not because the product is bad, it's because of me and my preferences. Okay beautiful people, this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!